Here we come to the main east elevators at the West Campus parking garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This is going to be a take on a clear blue cloudless sky, which you will see a most panoramic view of the Texas A&M's campus. Just wait until you see this view, in other words. What floor would you like, ma'am?
3, please.
P3. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, look at this, y'all. Look at this. What do you guys think of this view? A beautiful clear blue sky. This is a grand view of the entire Texas A&M's campus. I kind of want to get the middle elevator car. See if the bell works. Oh, barely. The button contacts press a lot better than on the other ones that I filmed. They appear to grease up the contact on these ones, because a lot of times the contacts are like literally sticky or rusted. All right, we're gonna send this up and we'll get the other elevator car. I kind of want the one in the middle. Call stations need greasing. Yes, 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 we got the middle elevator. Here is the middle elevator car that I wanted. All right, P6, here we go. Look at this, y'all. Now this is what I call a view. And I probably had some sort of hard time centering the camera. This is exactly the view of what I was talking about. Hopefully we wouldn't get any interruptions during the ride. Are you going up?
Yeah.
Your floor?
6.
All the way up. Pardon me, sorry.
It's okay.
All right, have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Talk about a beautiful view. All right, this time watch the numbers. The bulb was burned out for P6. That view you just saw right there is exactly what you see in my channel banner. Vertical spun works, I love that. All right, let's get another view outside the window again, because That view is just something. I'm gonna get a view out this way now. Sorry for the multiple rides. What do you guys think? I apologize for the multiple rides, y'all, but this view is what really fascinates me the most. We're gonna go up to P6 and get a view. See, the button doesn't even light up for some reason, but it does activate. Anyways, these are your view of the fixtures. They're traditional band-resistant fixtures. The same contact as a Dover Impulse. All right, here is where you get the most spectacular view of the entire Texas A&M's campus. Look how beautiful this day is. A clear blue sky with barely any clouds in the sky. Well, there's some clouds over there in the distance, but it's far off, miles and miles ahead. But anyways, this is what I want to show you. Look at this right here, y'all. Look at this. See, this right here is the view of the entire Texas A&M's campus, which is exactly what you see in my channel banner that you're seeing right now. Anyways, I might as well just move a little bit further so you can get a better view without that pillar blocking the way. See? Much better view. Much better view. See? This right here is the view of the entire Texas A&M's campus in a clear blue sky. This is exactly the photo you see in my channel banner. So, with that being said, I think I might just pan a little bit. And then after that, we'll go back down. See, I just had to come up here and get a view. This is something, y'all. You can barely see the College Station water tower sign way in the distance. And before we go, we'll get a close-up view into the main section of campus. You see right here. There's the MSC. I need to do a time-lapse sunset video from day to night up on the top floor at some point. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? But yeah, guys, what do you think of this? Isn't this a perfect view on a beautiful day like this? But anyways, we're gonna head back down now and wrap up the video. I'm gonna see if I can try to get the right elevator car. I want to get the right elevator car this time. And then after that, to give it a big force, push that door open. You have to give it a big force of push to open that door. Oh yes, we got the right elevator car. So glad I finally had a chance to film these on a clear blue sky. Going up?
Yeah.
What floor would you like?
I'm trying to remember. I think it's 4. We'll see.
Have a great day. We'll get one last view out the window. I'm not gonna take for so many rows on this one because I already got a good video on the middle elevator car. Okay, definitely back down to PL and we'll end it for real this time. I mean, that was quite an adventure. Although this elevator is not as vintage like the ones from the previous century, I mean, if it was just a stainless steel cab, I really don't even bother filming it. But with a beautiful view like this, I say why not. Anyways, we are back at the bottom level. There it goes. And that's it.